Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanvi Sukharam Doshi and today is Tutorial Tuesday. So without wasting a lot of time, let me just tell you that in today's video we are going to learn two things. First is how to quickly uplift your face, and second is the oil controller. That's a product I'm going to introduce to you because it has changed the way my makeup looks because I have a very oily skin. So it has changed the way the makeup looks on me even after 2 hours or an hour. So let's quickly jump into the video. The first thing we are going to learn is how to quickly uplift your face. All you need is two things. One is a concealer and another is a sponge, or even you can use a makeup brush if you're comfortable with that. Now let's just do this. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Double Duty Beauty in the shade Light Neutral 22N. All you gotta do is take the product and now take your sponge and blend it in. This looks so uplifted now. You can use any concealer. You can also use the Maybelline roller. It's the easiest way. I do not have it. It's over, so that's why I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. It's not as smooth as I could have done it with the roll-on. So I would suggest for the best result, try using Maybelline roller highlighter, and it's going to give you the best effect and the beautiful highlight and uplift to your face. If you like this, then continue watching ahead because I'm going to show you how to curb the excess oil from your face using one product, and that product is game changer. Trust me. So now in the second part of the video, I'm going to introduce you to this magical product which I found online on Amazon.com, and I'm going to leave the link here. And also at the end I will leave the link because I will explain to you the product and I want to show you guys the result so that you can decide if it's really working, if it's really that magical what I'm talking about. I want you to see for yourself. And the product is this oil control on the go Revlon roller. I'll show you guys how this works. Before that, let's just get the camera a little closer to actually show you the oil on my face. So if you guys can see it, there's like this layer of oil formulated on my skin post 1 or 2 hours of the makeup. What I'm going to do and what this product does is so wonderful. So guys, this is the product and this is how it looks. All we have to do is I'll show you here. Any part of your face where you feel there is excess of oil, you can just roll this product and it is going to absorb the oil so beautifully and give you a very fresh summer look. Wow, I love this product and I recommend this product, especially since the summer is here. I would really recommend this product to everyone who has oily skin type first and foremost, because I understand the level of oil secretion that happens, especially when you apply makeup. And if you have oily skin, it tends to secrete a lot of sebum, which creates a layer over here and it clogs your pores, and that's what creates acne. So this is the best product, guys, and I would highly recommend it to you. And I am going to drop a link right here so you guys can check it out, and also it will be mentioned in the description box. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's tutorial Tuesday, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe. Also, I would like to thank all of you for recommending it and connecting my channel to so many of your friends and sharing the videos, because we are getting great views and also great subscribers in such short time. I am really happy, and thank you all of you. I'm going to see you soon in the next video.